Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Alexa from the show Summer Camp Island. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe. All of that stuff really helps out the channel a lot. So to start drawing Alexa, I'm going to start with a circle for the eye. And inside that, we're going to do another circle. And we can color this one in black. All right, so next thing I'm going to do, we're going to do a little eyebrow. And over here, we're going to do a little line here and up a bit and over here. It's going to be kind of like a circle, but not a full circle. We're working on our other eye, but it's going to be like a wink. So we do that little shape, and then we can do this one here. And now we can do like a little oval, and that's going to be like a little blushy spot. Now the nose, we just have two little dots. From the eye here, we can come on down and start with a smile. Come on up towards that little blushy spot. And then we're going to have an open mouth. And we can put some sharp teeth here. And on the bottom. And then this line will bring it up here. And we can have a little tongue here, so just like a little hill. And then right here, we can come on in and come down a bit. And over here, let's do a little ear and a little inside shape. And I'm going to do a little line like that here for start of the hair, and another little bit. Come on down and down a bit more. And right here, we can come down and go like that. And another little bump, and another one, and another one. Now right here, we can bring this line over here to the ear, and over here we can bring it over that eye. I'm going to put a little line right there, and now we can have a little curve up here, and we're going to follow along to meet up with that ear. And now we can do a hat. So we're going to follow that shape of the head and curve on down. And now we can do kind of like a triangle and a little fluffy bit on top of the hat. Now we can put a little curve here and one there, and a few lines here for the top, or sorry, the bottom part of the hat. We can do another little ear, kind of showing from the side. And we can curve right there for the neck. And bring this line down. And right here we can do two more little bits of hair. And we can curve and do another little curve. And then have the bottom of her braid. So next, let's bring another line down, and over here we can bring a line out this way for part of an arm. And on the bottom line, we can do the same and bring this line down a bit. Right here, we can bring this in, do a little line there, bring this that way, have another little line, and we can do a hand. So a thumb, one finger, another one, and another one, and bring it back there. And we can bring this line down a bit further. Same with that one. And draw across, a little across there. Bring this down. And I'll draw a line across here. And up here we can do another little curve, same as up here, following the line of the neck. And a little moon shape on the shirt. Now we can bring a line down and bring that across there. We can put a little pocket here and have a line right there, and do another little pocket on this side with another line there. And we're going to have a line coming down here and another little shape like that. This is going to be part of the sweater. This is one of the strings from the hood. Right here we can have a little line there and a line right there, and we can do the other sweater string like that, and we can do another shoulder and arm and come on down this way. And then we won't see this one very well because of the way she's turned, but we can have a bit of a hand right there and a little line there for the part of the cuff of the sleeve. And now we'll do a line here, and over here. Let's do a shape like that, and then we'll follow along that shape and bring this line down for the hood of the sweater. All right, so now our drawing is done, and I'm going to get started with some coloring. Alright everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have the very best day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright everyone, goodbye!